All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports, your favorite YouTuber, is back doing videos. Today, we got a 2013 Ford F-150. I'm talking straight up Platinum Edition. Folks, this truck has only 125,000 miles. Yes, it's four-wheel drive. Yes, it's lifted. It's also got a brand new set of 35 MTs. A gorgeous truck, 3.5 EcoBoost turbo V6. If you guys are familiar with the EcoBoost, these trucks haul ass. I'm telling you, they rock and roll, baby. Anyway, Platinum Edition. It does have a rear tonneau cover, soft tonneau cover, spray-in bed liner. I don't know what brand. Undercarriage of the truck is very nice still. Just some normal basic surface rust. Okay, not a truck up north that's been ate up with rust. So a very nice truck. Undercarriage is still in beautiful shape. You got a touch-up damage. You got some touch-up damage right there on the right rear quarter of that bumper. Overall, this truck is in extremely good shape. The rest of the body, maybe a small rock chip here or there. The paint shines up very good. Later on this week, we will be spraying the frame back to jet black. As you can see there's no flake and rust. It will be nicely painted in a satin black. It'll make it look like it's factory again. A couple small rock chips on the front end. That would be typical for a 2013. It's rocking a set of 20-inch Motor Metal 962s, 10 inches wide. Again, 35, 1250, 20s on the tires. This does have factory step rails as well, electric step boards, which you guys will be able to see in just a second. So step boards come straight down when you open the door. You got a little bit of wear when you first go to get in the truck right there from kicking your feet. This is a full optioned out F-150 Platinum. You got memory seats, heated seats, cooled seats, power everything, finished off in wood grain trim, upgraded Sony stereo. Let's move a little bit more to the inside of the truck. Wood grain steering wheel, no lights on the dash. See if we can get the focus in there. There you go. No lights on the dash, no issues. Mechanically, very nice. Just serviced. Virginia state inspected. So if you're in the state of Virginia, it does pass inspection. If you're out of state, I'm sure it will still pass your state inspection as well. Our state inspections are pretty tough, so I don't see why it wouldn't pass in your state. We do ship nationwide. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a truck, you can get the thing shipped to your house in California, Texas, Missouri, Alabama, Arizona. It really honestly doesn't matter. We will ship this truck nationwide. We get excellent deals on shipping prices, being that we ship a lot of vehicles across the country. Back seats are in very good shape. As you guys can see in the video of the front and the rear, there's very minimal wear. I don't know what this is for. It's like a nipple cover or something. I don't know. It's a factory funnel for something. I guess for when you fill fluids. Anyway, aftermarket floor mats. Or actually, these are Ford OEM off-road floor mats. This is like their upgrade. Nice little F-150 emblem. Like I said, very minimal wear on the driver's seat. Typical, no rips or tears. The interior is easily a 9.5 out of 10. It's in very good shape. Actually, let me try to pop in. I'll give you guys a shot of the engine bay real quick. I know some people like to see the engine bay. We do not detail engine bays. So if they're dirty, that's the way they come. Let's see. I haven't opened the F-150 hood in a long time. All right, it's right here in the middle. All right, let's go. Come on. Look at that Ford emblem. For all you Ford haters out there, these EcoBoosts are actually really good trucks. Hang on, check. Ugh. All right, there we go. Gosh, I can barely lift it. Duralast battery. Looks like there's a little tiny bit of acid. We'll make sure that we scrape that off for you. There's the famous 3.5 EcoBoost. The engine bay is absolutely in gorgeous shape. Again, we don't detail engine bays, so if they stay this nice, that means the customer took care of them. Insulator is still on the hood. You can hear the truck running. There's, doesn't make a peep, no exhaust leaks. No issues that we can find mechanically. Like I said, just serviced. VA state inspected. Again, I'm finally back doing videos, folks. I know you guys missed me. You guys got a more familiar voice now. This is Mark, owner right here at Deluxe Motorsports in Fredericksburg, Virginia. If you guys are interested in this truck, give us a call, 540-898-1300. It's getting ready to get posted for sale for Labor Day. I don't expect this truck to last very long. I believe the price is going to be around 27, maybe 27.9, somewhere in that ballpark. So anyway, don't forget, this is an F-150 fully loaded Platinum Edition, power everything, 6 inches of lift, 35s, a gorgeous, gorgeous truck in person. Again, if you guys have questions, call us direct here at the office, 540-898-1300. You can also go to our website at deluxemotorsports.com. It's DLUX-motorsports.com. We do sell tons and tons of lifted trucks. So if you're not in the market specifically for this, you got a lighter budget or you got a bigger budget, make sure you jump on our website, check out all the inventory that we have available. We constantly buy and sell lifted trucks weekly, so our inventory constantly changes. Again, I look forward to speaking with you about this Ford F-150 2013 3.5 EcoBoost Turbo. Till next time, it's your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Peace.